Hey, it's your Haitian Cousin Kadoh, and I'm so happy that you are actually back for another lesson. So today we're going to talk about movement. Marcher, that means walk. Courir, that means run. Camper, that means stand. Dormir, that means sleep. Sauter, that means jump. Nager, that means swim. Let's use them in a sentence now. Nan piscine nou kon nage. In the pool we swim. Nan piscine nou reme nage. Nou reme nage nan piscine. We like to swim in the pool. Nou reme nage nan piscine. Nou reme nage nan piscine. We like to swim at the pool. Nou reme courir le matin. We like to run in the morning. Nou reme courir le soleil la coucher. Nou reme courir le soleil la coucher. Nou reme courir le soleil la coucher. We like to run when the sun is setting. M'pa vle camper parce que m'fatigué. M'pa vle camper parce que m'fatigué. I don't want to stand because I'm tired. I don't want to stand because I'm tired. M'pa vle camper parce que m'fatigué. M'pa vle camper parce que mwen fatigué. It's the same thing. It's just not conjugated. And mwen means the same thing. M'pa vle camper parce que m'fatigué. M'fatigué, m'pral dormir. M'fatigué, m'pral coucher. M'pral coucher pour mal dormir. M'pral coucher pour mal dormir. I'm going to lay down so I could sleep. Al coucher. Al coucher. Go lay down. Go lay down. Al coucher. Go lay down. An al marcher. An al marcher. Let's go walking. An al marcher. Let's go walking. Nan gym nam kon sauter. Nan gym nam kon sauter. At the gym, I like to jump rope. At the gym, I be jump rope. Nan gym nam kon sauter. Map marche ti pa pa ti pa. 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 I'm walking little by little. Ou pa weli? La marche ti pa pa ti pa. Ou pa weli? La marche ti pa pa ti pa. You don't see her? She walking little by little. Li pa même pressé. She's not even rushing. She's not even rushing. La marche ti pa ti pa. Little by little. Oh, sa ou genye wap marche rapide kon sa. Oh, sa ou genye wap marche rapide kon sa. Oh, what's wrong with you? Why are you walking fast like that? Rapide. Rapide. Look at my mouth. Rapide. Rapide means fast. And in Spanish, rápido means fast. So that should be easy for you. Wap marche rapide. You're walking fast. Map marche rapide. I'm walking fast. Map marche rapide. I know this was a lot to soak in, but you said you want to be authentic. You want to be authentic. So make sure you show up for the other classes because this semester I'm judging you hard. We need to be able to speak fluently. So I want to make sure that you're able to read, write, speak, and understand Haitian Creole. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.